Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to add new workspace in Notion. First, all we're going to do is select onto the top right corner, which is our workspace. And we can see here the new word, new workspace. Click on here, and all we need to do is to type our specific title, like choose for work, for personal life, or for school. I'm going to choose here on for work, on my own or with your team. You can also ask, what is it going to be used? Like, for example, this is for product designing, assets, and library, and click on continue. Now automatically generate the specific workspace for you. You can also have a business, which is you can try for 30 days if you need it for your account, and click on continue. Now from here, you can install desktop version or skip if you want onto the web browser. And that's it. We already created a specific workspace on our account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.